Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. Let me repeat it one more time. Viewers' discretion is advice when watching this video.
Countryman tell them for watch them speed, them a road ya full up a bus head. Any violation, smarty must dead. Blood stain when I play anyway we touch red. Loyalty teacher, you know for just friend. When them say them have your back, you know for just them. When them come feed your food, better you fuss them.
Queen Sanga of the BEEHIVE in St. Vincent finally meet his Waterloo. You understand? And this man right here, he is responsible for so many people demise. I have done extensive video vlogs on this young man right here, and he reminds me of the guy you're looking right there, and this guy played in Black Lightning, the guy on the left. And Sanga remind me of this man, and guess what? Both of them kinda end up in the same way. Now, let me say, this right here is a breaking news, and I'm gonna come back with another video. So I want everybody to listen to me now, you know. Me know exactly where go down, but me not drop it yet. I'm gonna do some more research and get in touch with some more intel on the ground, and I'm gonna do a detailed video about this young man. Like me say, this dude right here, so I am not surprised, and I hope St. Vincent and the Grenadines can move forward now. I hope the man them can make some money, build up on the community. You understand? And when I say money, I not talk drugs money. Okay? But when you move forward, build up on a community, build up on a big house, build up on a business. You understand? And start living a life. Because pretty much, like I said, Queen Sanga, him and the BEEHIVE, them did have the place on lock a certain way, and
don't forget to like and subscribe.
And I do no fuckery, you understand? Enough man them kill, enough man things them rob up. So all of the little money them, we used to spar with him and deal with him. We know them a fear run and hide. And if I was them, I would give up on the throw in the white towel and everybody unite. You understand? I'm never telling you a thing about St. Vincent. You see, St. Vincent is a different kind of place. Every place have them system, you know, and how things work. But you see, St. Vincent is not a place to play with. You understand? I'm not telling you something, couple more things about St. Vincent. You see, St. Vincent, man, them come in like Jamaicans in a sense where them our mother say a little bit more harder than St. Lucia. and Trinidad. You understand? And with St. Vincent, them situation very unique. But me gonna talk about all of them things there in the next video when me do on Sanga, because me have to do an extensive video. Wanna see a couple picture when me I show from other videos me do. Them there are the man them where him align himself with, and some of the picture them are the man them where him help get reader. Now, me I gonna say two things before me leave. Now, me hope the youth them see this and realize, say, listen, we have to deal with unity, because the man or the man them we did a deal with certain things, them gone now, you know. So we have to deal with unity now. And you see the second thing, what me gonna say, if you live by the sword, you shall die by the sword. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.